Alright, welcome to Section 2, Formulas 101. This section is really just about laying the groundwork for what's to come. So we're going to start with a deep dive into the formula library and the auditing tools, which can be really helpful if you've got broken formulas. I'll talk basic formula syntax, go into fixed and relative references, which is a really important section. I'll talk about common error messages, why you might be getting them, how to get around them. Also share a tip called if error, which basically lets you customize those error messages. I'm going to talk useful shortcuts, so function and control shortcuts plus alt key tips. We'll go into data validation, really nice tool to help make your work more dynamic in Excel. And then last but not least, volatile versus fixed functions. In this section you'll see two files available for download. Got the Excel for Analysts Formulas 101 PDF file, plus the Section 2 Fixed Relative References Excel file. So go ahead and give those a download, and then let's dive right in.